Hello everyone. Hope you're ready for some fun and interesting stuff today. In this session, we are going to talk about the labeled diagrams method and how you can use it in your elementary classroom. The labeled diagrams method is particularly effective in elementary classrooms because it caters to visual and interactive learning styles. Young students often learn best when they can see and manipulate objects or images. This method allows students to engage with the learning material in a hands-on way, which can help them to remember what they have learned. In this method, students are shown a diagram or image of a concept or idea, and then they are asked to label the different parts of the diagram. This can be done either individually or in small groups. To implement the labeled diagrams method in your classroom, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Choose a concept or idea to teach. It could be anything from the parts of a plant to the water cycle. Step 2. Draw or print out a diagram of the concept or idea. Make sure that the diagram is large enough for all the students to see. Step 3. Ask the students to work in pairs or small groups to label the different parts of the diagram. Provide each group with a set of labels, either index cards or pieces of paper with the different parts of the concept or idea written on them. Allow the students to work collaboratively, discussing and negotiating the correct placement of each label. Step 4. Once the students have finished labeling the diagram, ask them to share their work with the class. This will allow them to practice their presentation skills as well as giving the other students an opportunity to learn from their peers. To make this activity more engaging and interactive for your students, you can use colorful and tactile materials such as pipe cleaners, playdough, or construction paper. For example, if you are teaching the parts of a plant, you could give each group a green pipe cleaner to represent the stem of the plant, some brown playdough to represent the roots, and some red and yellow construction paper to represent the leaves. This will allow the students to get up and move around while also engaging their sense of touch. You can also use online tools such as Google Slides or PowerPoint to create an interactive labeled diagram. This will allow you to project the diagram onto a screen, and the students can use their devices to label the different parts. It's important to differentiate for diverse learners. Some students may need additional support in order to complete the activity successfully. In this case, you may need to provide them with a partially completed diagram or a list of the correct labels. Other students may need more of a challenge. In this case, you may need to ask them to create their own labeled diagram to share with the class. Here are some examples of how you can use the labeled diagrams method in your elementary classroom. Science. Label the parts of a plant, the water cycle, the life cycle of a butterfly, the solar system, parts of the human body, etc. Math. Label the parts of a clock to tell time. Label the different sections of a pie chart. Label the coordinates on a graph, etc. Social studies. Label the continents. Label the oceans. Label the parts of a map, etc. The labeled diagrams method is a versatile and effective teaching method that can be used in a variety of ways in the elementary classroom. By following the simple steps and tips outlined in this video, you can create a fun and engaging learning experience for your students. Remember to differentiate for diverse learners and to make the activity age-appropriate. With a little planning and preparation, you can use the labeled diagrams method to help your students learn and remember information more effectively. If you like this video, please leave a comment below and click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.